for your own mask before helping children or others. If you're wearing a face mask, take it off before putting on the oxygen mask. Life jackets are under each seat or in the panel above your seat. If instructed to do so by the crew, put your life jacket over your head, attach the strap to the capture front and pull the belt tight. Just before leaving the aircraft, pull the right handle or handles to inflate the jacket. If necessary, you can use the rubber tubes. If you have to leave the aircraft through the overwing exit, the life jacket must be inflated outside the cabin. Each jacket has a lamp which lights up automatically upon contact with water. Infant life jackets shall only be opened and used in an emergency situation upon cabin crew's instruction. You'll find a safety card containing all safety instructions, including brace position and the seat pocket on the seat backrest or on the panel in front of you. Now please read the safety card. It is important that you pay attention and follow all ordnance signs, placards, and crew members' instructions throughout the flight. If you notice anything out of ordinary, please inform the cabin crew immediately. Thank you for your attention and we wish you a pleasant flight.